So for the most part, this thing is done. I added the table. I added the bracket here, so when you're doing a belt change, the motor doesn't swing all the way down on this pivot point. It only drops down about a ½ inch. I also added the mount for the mag starter. I have that all done too, except the mag starter's not here, so I didn't know how to build this upper portion to mount the starter to it. Anyway, it's all done, and you might be asking yourself, well, why didn't I make it so it tilts and all that sort of thing? I can tilt the table to 45 degrees, but you know, if you watch my Belt Grinder 1 movie, it's the only way I ever use it. I don't ever use the attachments that I made for the other grinder. I just use it this way, so I just made it as simple as possible, and that's what I wind up with. So now it's time to throw a little color on the thing. And you know, when I was building this thing, welding it all together, I didn't add any movies of the welding because what a waste of your time watching me weld the stuff. Same thing with the machine work on the lathe, like putting the knurls on the knob and the handle. What's the point of you watching me do the machine work? It's just a waste of time as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, you're welcome that I didn't show you the welding and machine work. Anyway, the next movie, this thing should have some color on it. We'll just go from there. So I squirted some color onto it and reassembled it, and now what I'm waiting for is the magnetic starter to arrive so I can fire the thing up, and that'll be Belt Grinder number 5. Something else I'd like you to look at would be this roller right here. It lights up when it's spinning. That way, all 3 of my rollers light up like that, so I can see if they're seized up or not. If they're seized up, they won't be lighting up. So anyway, I will get ready to make the last movie, which would be Belt Grinder number 5.